Therefore, any method which does not include pranayama system is considered to be incomplete. Now, Buddhist school of meditation, which is totally based on, philosophy is based on meditation, knows and understands only something up to pranic level, nothing beyond that. Beyond that, they say, those who have studied Buddhism will understand, no mind theory. I don't have mind, so I don't have to control my mind. I don't have to have conscious control over my mind. But this theory is not going to help. I still think. And my thing disturbs, whether I have mind or not, my thinking disturbs, and that affects on my nervous system and body. If I constantly become negative and threatened and frightened, it will wreck my nervous system and I will have some serious problem and it will be projected on my body. Therefore, it is important for us to know more about ourselves, not only up to breath. Zen, Zazen talk only up to breath, not beyond that. All the exercises are borrowed from the yoga system. When I was at Detroit, I visited this country, and many speakers were talking. So they thought he's a poor Indian and especially from Himalaya, very primitive man. So they gave me the last day. I waited for the days. It was Sunday. I said, these people, I attended everyone's lecture. Everybody was talking something over it, nothing practical, all nonsense. So there was one person, he was SRF teacher. I knew Paramahansa Yoganandaji personally, in my personal life. We knew each other, we loved each other. He knew my guru, I knew his tradition. It is very close. So I thought, let me hear what this person speaks. He talked about what medicine will do. He gave appetizer, but he never served the food. Finally. So one day earlier, I appeared in Channel 7, educational system. I did not condemn anybody, but I said, a yogi should have control, and if he does not have control, he cannot meditate. And there were doctors and all that, the monitoring, all the whole country saw it. Manager Foundation saw it, and then they approached me. Next day, the seats were only 2,500, and they sold 5,000 seats because they wanted to earn money. And the organization packed up with the money and went away. Sold 5,000. Poor speaker was left. And they broke the windows and doors and everything because there were only 2,500 seats. But in a way it helped me. People said, no, we will have his lecture in a bigger hall. So next day bigger hall was arranged and I spoke. The subject matter was given to me was karma and reincarnation, which is not the subject matter here now.